So we are heading to, we as in me and Axel, I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea to take him or not. We're just gonna go shoot a bit of time lapses in the road. I don't know if you've ever seen it before. It's the road that's covered in sand in Dubai. It's, good morning. It's around 30 minutes drive from here, so we better get going before the sun rises. Look how happy he is. Alright, so just gonna fly the drone for a bit, get some nice footage. I was expecting to get the sunrise, but I don't think that's happening anymore. So it's gonna be more of, you know, just enjoy flying.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night, try to catch me howling at the moon.
Absolutely banger shots. Love them. I'm very happy that I woke up in the morning and came. I was very reluctant on coming, but yeah, then I decided. Listen, I think I was sitting on sand. Hi sister. Me too, I love you. Hey. Coffee's still hot.